Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to outline an image in Canva in phone. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the image and duplicate it by clicking over here. Okay. Now, just click on the image and click on PG remover on bottom. Remove its background. Again, click on the image. Go on bottom, slide to the right, and here just click on FX. Click on shadows, slide to the right, and here you will find this option outline. Just click on it, double click on it, change the color to white, increase its outline, whatever you want, and that's it. As you can see, that's how you can add an outline to an image. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.